So let me show you how to find exactly the type of font that is used on a flyer or an image. So let's say we are going to find this exact font that is used on this. So I will go to an app called What's the Font. Here is the app. Actually, you can find it on Play Store. I will leave a link on the description below so that you can actually download it directly. So I will click on it. So clicking on it, you can see how. Alright, here is it. So in here, I will just click on this image icon here. So it will direct me to my file gallery. So I will pick the flyer, and then now what I will do is I will put my focus on the peak. So you can actually see I just click on the peak and then the 4 cardinal point just pop up. So this is my target now. So I will click on here, identify fonts. So you can actually see, hold on, we are searching for the right font. So mind you, this has to do with internet. You have to own your data in order to get exactly what you want. So here is a type of font that is actually used for this. You can see there are different type of fonts here. You can see they are like family. So they are like family. You can actually download it on your Chrome browser. Let's see, I will go to my Chrome browser and go to dfonts.com, or maybe 1001 fonts. So you can actually search for it on dfonts.com. So if you don't know how to actually download and install fonts on your Pixellab, I will leave a link on the description. So let's see, I have already downloaded that. So I will go and import the flyer here. So I'm just going to do a sample here. So I'll go to text, and then I will go and write big uppercase letters. So for this big, I will just like move it so at this. I'm just going to compare the two. So I will go to my fonts, and then I've already installed the font, which is this. So knowing on this, you can actually see that big is like an italic. So I will just choose this. I will choose this, and then maybe I will expand it. So if you look at exactly this, the font in this and this are actually the same. Look at how the end signs are, the G and then the B. So you can actually see that it's actually the same font. So this is just how to identify fonts on your font that you actually see on a flyer or image, and then use it for your design. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Thank you.